This one here, I'm going to show you how to do a 3D view with the camera. We're also going to show you how to change this basement plan view to be our first page. And it's not going to be a basement plan, it's going to be the plan down here where it says perspective exterior view realistic. So we're going to complete that. So I'm going to take and I'm just going to delete the basement plan. I'm going to click on the title block just like we did before and change that to B horizontal. So now I have my B size sheet of paper. And we're going to come up here and we're going to go to floor plans, first floor. And we're going to make a new 3D view. So I'm going to go view, 3D view. Sorry. Clicking is a little bit slow right now. So view, 3D view, and I'm going to go camera. And I'm going to come from the lower right hand side, come down here a ways, and I'm going to bring this across so it goes all the way past the back of the house. You're going to see what this is going to look like. I'm going to stretch this view out. I want to make it so that this view fits the whole house with these little buttons. And this foundation kind of looks weird in it. So I'm going to click on the foundation. And we're going to highlight all of it here. And if I delete it, it's going to go away. I'm going to highlight all of this down here. Right down here it says temporarily hide, isolate. Category or element. So I hit the element and I'm continuing to hide the parts to this basement because it kind of looks funny having that basement there. Oh. So I'm grabbing all that basement and I'm hiding the elements. So now I have my house. I can pull this button up a little bit higher so it's nice and close. And I also want to set this in realistic view so I can see the house. And we're ready to go. That's going to be our house cover page. So it says 3D view number 2 here. I'm going to rename that and call that house exterior. And I'm going to close. Then I'm going to go back to that basement plan in my sheets, which it's not going to be the basement plan anymore. We're going to call this cover sheet. And this is kind of the big presentation to our client. So I'm going to come up to my 3D views, grab house exterior, and just drag it on. And then I can, if I want to, I can stretch, or if I need to move stuff, I can move stuff at this point. But now I have the nice picture of my house on the front page. And that's how you complete a 3D view of the exterior of your house.